Hello, class. So I wanted to come on here real quick and make a very short video to show you how exactly to navigate our Canvas course and give you kind of a little bit of a look around. First of all, you will log into Canvas and you will use the same information that you use for the Merced College portal. So obviously, if you're seeing this, you are logged in to Canvas. And so you'll see here a listing of all of your courses. You'll see your courses, and you might see probably ASMC polling, which is for the voting for the student council. You'll see some other things here as well, potentially. Okay, but our class is this one right here. It says AOM 31967 for spring of 21, and you'll see this image. So you go ahead and click on that course card. It will take you right into the class. When you click on our class, you're going to see this. And so you're going to see this image. So you'll know that you're in the right place. You'll see my name, again, AOM 30. So you'll see this section here, which will be a place for announcements. I know at the top, there will be a place also for the announcements that I send out to you, but I'll also update this periodically. So make sure you check this area as well. Then there's a section here for Zoom meeting links. I am going to be on Zoom on Mondays, unless that Monday either is a holiday or I have some kind of a conflict. Then I will tell you here when that will be scheduled. But for right now, it will be on Monday, usually from 3 p.m. until about 4:30. Now, it's possible that I may not stay on until 4:30 if I get through what I need to get. The Zoom meetings are not mandatory. I would appreciate it if you could join. And again, you'll see the information. The link will be placed here, as well as the meeting ID and the password if you're using a phone or an iPad or some other type of a device to connect. That information will be listed here. Then, if you have any questions, you can ask me. Also, if you need to meet outside of that time, you can send me either a message through Canvas or an email, or possibly through the Pronto app as well, although I would prefer either an email or a Canvas message. And we can set up a time to meet individually as well. Then you'll see a section here that says course links. This will eventually be building out throughout the semester. So you'll see right now there's a link that says Start Here Orientation, and I'll show you that. And then I have a Q&A cafe. You can post questions there, and I can answer you as well as other students. Then you have a contact instructor, which gives you some information about a contact the instructor. And then you will see, for right now, I have a week 1 module, which is an introduction to computers and a course introduction. So we're not going to start right away going right into Microsoft Word. We're going to talk a little bit about computers. I'm going to show you how to use your student email. And there'll be some different assignments around that. So that'll be week 1. That also gives you a chance to purchase your textbook. You will need a textbook for this class, and I will explain that to you either in the orientation lecture first meeting or the recording. The Zoom meetings are recorded, and those will be available to you within each module. Okay, once those get edited and get posted. The first thing I want you to do is to go into the orientation module. So you'll click on that, and then you can just start right here where it says about your instructor. You can read, then you can click next. It's going to take you then to what you can expect about the class. You can read through that information. Just go ahead and click through everything and just read, about through the orientation module. Okay, that'll be the first thing I'd like for you to do. Okay, so this video actually posted here in lieu of that information. The thing I want to show you is the week 1 work, and I still need to update it, but I'll kind of show you what that module is. But if you click back on the left-hand side, you'll see a link that says modules. So that's where you can always go back to if you get lost to see the modules. So you'll have the week 1 module, week 2. The names of those might change, but you still, it'll be week 1, week 2. And then you can click on syllabus. That'll show the syllabus. You can click on grades, and then that will show you your individual grades. Okay. Then you can click on the section number to go back. Okay. But anyway, and then under week 1, you're going to talk about, there always will be an agenda page. I suggest printing this off because this will, you can actually check off over here that you've completed it, or at least write down that, okay, I know that I'm going to have to do a student introduction forum. It probably won't be a voice thread. That I know that I'm going to do a pretend computer shopping exercise worksheet. I know I'm going to do that. I know I'm going to have a forum. If you know that you have to do these things, whatever it is that you'll have to do, again, it will change from what's listed here. You can do that. You'll also see our course learning objectives and our weekly objectives. So these will be what you'll be doing every day. So you'll see that every module, every week we'll have one of those. And then you'll have a lecture page, which will look very similar to this. So you'll have kind of an overview, directions, again, schedule of, that Monday I'll be on here, we'll go over it. And then the video will be posted here. So the videos are posted onto YouTube, but then they'll be embedded here. So you'll be able to see those. So if we're meeting on Monday, then I would hope to have the video published by that Wednesday. It takes a little bit to get the video downloaded, to edit it, get it uploaded to YouTube, and then get it uploaded here. So the assignments will be listed here. And then at the end of each week, you'll have a page that looks something like this. There may be a graphic up here, kind of a little congratulatory message. And then you'll see here, this week you learned again the weekly objectives, and then kind of a little bit of a preview of week 2. My goal is to have the following week materials available to you by at least Friday or Saturday of the week. Everything's due the Sunday of the week prior. So for example, the first week starts on the 11th. The work for that would be due on the 17th. Now, while I do accept late work, I do ask that you keep on schedule, because once you fall behind, it's going to be very, very difficult for you to be able to catch up. So I just ask that you stay, keep working. If you are having problems, let me know. Also, if you need any kind of further explanation, let me know, and we'll go from there. Okay. But just, try to keep up with your work as much as possible. But again, if you have any questions, anything, let me know. If something happens and you get behind, let me know. I know that there's a lot of things that can be very challenging. I know for you, just because, working at home and maybe juggling childcare, juggling other things, or just keeping up motivation to be able to keep going. I would say do a little bit each day rather than trying to cram it all and say, oh, I'm going to do it all Sunday night. That's not going to help you. So maybe do a little bit, say, okay, I'm going to do my discussion post, Monday. I'm going to work on my assignment then maybe on Tuesday, and I'll work on, my quiz on Friday. Try to pace yourself out rather than trying to do it all at once. Okay. But again, if you have any questions, let me know and I'll be here. So